1. Hook. Have you ever made a tech decision that haunted you? One architectural choice that turned into a nightmare? 2. The real problem. When you're building a startup, every decision counts. This leads to scalability issues, performance bottlenecks, and even higher costs. The real problem? It's not just about choosing the right tools, it's about making informed decisions based on your unique needs. 3. The simple explanation. Let's break it down. Architecture involves the fundamental structures and systems that support your application. It includes your choice of databases, cloud providers, and overall system design. A good architecture is flexible, scalable, and cost-effective. The right architecture will support growth and adapt to changing requirements. The wrong one? It can lead to technical debt and burnout. 4. Real-world example. A few years ago, I was part of a small startup. We decided to build our application using a monolithic architecture. Everything was in one place: the front end, the back end, and the database. At first, it seemed easy. We had just 3 engineers, and deploying updates was straightforward, but as we grew, we faced significant challenges. As user adoption soared, our application was receiving 10,000 requests per minute. Our monolithic structure couldn't handle the load. Response times shot up to 5 seconds, and users were dropping off. We had to scale horizontally, but our architecture made it difficult. Eventually, we spent over $50,000 on cloud resources to support a system that should have been more efficient from the start. The outcome? Frustration, loss of customers, and a lot of late nights. 5. What to do instead. So, what should you do instead? Here's a simple framework to guide your architecture decisions. Step 1. Define your requirements, understand your user base. How many users do you expect in the next 6 months? 1 year? Estimate your traffic. For a startup, plan for at least 2x your current projections. Step 2. Choose the right architecture. Consider microservices if you anticipate rapid growth or multiple teams. This approach can isolate issues and allow for independent scaling. If you're starting small, a modular monolith could be a good middle ground. It keeps things simpler while allowing for future growth. Step 3. Select your tech stack. Choose databases based on your needs. SQL for structured data, NoSQL for flexibility. For example, MongoDB for document storage or PostgreSQL for relational data. Evaluate cloud providers. Consider AWS, GCP, or Azure. Look at pricing, availability zones, and services offered. Step 4. Plan for scalability. Set up auto-scaling in your cloud environment. Define thresholds, like CPU usage above 70% or memory usage above 80%, to trigger scaling. Implement caching strategies. Tools like Redis can help reduce database load and improve performance. Step 5. Monitor and iterate. Use monitoring tools like New Relic or Datadog. Set alerts for unusual traffic patterns or slow responses. Regularly review your architecture. As your user base grows, your needs will change. 6. Common mistakes. Let's discuss 5 common mistakes to avoid and how to sidestep these traps. Mistake 1. Over-engineering. Avoid building for tomorrow's problems today. Focus on what you need now. Start simple and iterate. Mistake 2. Ignoring performance testing. Don't skip performance testing. Simulate high traffic conditions. Use tools like JMeter to understand how your system behaves under load. Mistake 3. Lack of documentation. Failing to document your architecture can lead to confusion. Keep a living document that outlines decisions, trade-offs, and rationale. Mistake 4. Choosing tech for buzz. Don't pick technologies just because they're popular. Choose what fits your team's skills and project needs. Mistake 5. Neglecting security. Security isn't an afterthought. Implement security practices from day one. Use firewalls, encryption, and regular audits. 7. Quick checklist. Here's a quick checklist to guide your architectural decisions. Have you defined your user requirements? Is your architecture scalable? Are you monitoring performance? Is your team comfortable with the chosen tech stack? Have you set up security measures from the start? 8. Summary plus CTA. To recap, the architecture decision I regret most was choosing a monolithic structure too soon. By defining your requirements, Selecting the right architecture, and avoiding common pitfalls, you can make informed decisions that set your startup up for success. If you found this video helpful, please comment below with your own experiences or questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tips and real-world guidance. Thanks for watching. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost. Only upgrade when metrics force the decision, not fear. Quick recap: keep it simple, avoid over-engineering, and build the smallest thing that works. If you want a real demo or checklist, comment demo. Subscribe for practical AWS, DevOps, Docker, and Kubernetes lessons.